Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how does GoCanvas connect to Xero right here. Okay. GoCanvas integrates with Xero through a third-party automation platform like Zapier or NA10. Could be LateNode, Make.com, and similar automation platforms. Okay. As of today, as you can see, under integrations here in GoCanvas, it's still in the works, and you won't be able to select any of these apps or integrations for now. Okay, so the only option, if you want an easy life, you can go ahead and click on this hyperlink, reach out to your product specialist and tell them to make a custom integration for you. Okay, just click on it and there will be a support ticket option right here. Okay, and if you want to do it yourself, you can go ahead and do so by just going to Zapier and again, the apps or automation platforms that I've said earlier. But just for this example, I'm going to be using Zapier as it is easier. Okay, so in here on Zapier, just make your account. It's pretty easy. And once you're in here on your dashboard, go ahead over to the top left, click on Create, click on Zaps. Now in here, let's go ahead over to Trigger, click on it. It's up to you if you want your trigger to be a Xero or GoCanvas. So for this example, I'm just going to be using GoCanvas, like so. And then the trigger event, new submission, as I've said earlier. All right, once that's done, go ahead and log in with your account. Okay, after that, go ahead over to continue. Choose the app name or the form name. All right, I'm just going to select one, for example, job ticket, continue, and always test the trigger. Okay, test, now got a check mark, so it's done. So go ahead over to action. Let's go ahead and find Xero right here. There you go. Click on it. And as you can see here, it is tagged premium, but you can go ahead and go to the top left and try the premium or the pro trial. Okay. And if you like it, or if you like the integration or the automation right here under Zapier, you can go ahead and upgrade to pro. Okay. There are just some apps that are premium in here or integrations, but most of them are free. So going back, action event, maybe whenever there's a new submission here from GoCanvas, you can go ahead and automatically add items to existing sales invoice on Xero or add note to invoice here in Xero and some other options, or create a bill, create a payment, create a project. Okay. So maybe I'm just going to test create a project, and then I'm going to connect with my Xero account right here. There will be a pop-up. Just wait for it. Just to give the necessary permission. All right, wait for it to load, and it's done. So go ahead over to the continue button, click on it. Now select the organization, contact. If you don't have any contact in here, go ahead and make one. Go ahead over to Xero. Now go to the top, click on contacts, all contacts. Now go ahead and create one. All right, contact name. Maybe I'm just going to use my own name, account number 1, my name as well, and save. Okay, it's done. Go back to Zapier, click on contact, refresh. There you go. Click on it. Project name. Maybe just name the project sample integration. All right. Hit on continue. Test the step. We now got a check mark. Close it. As you can see, both got a check mark. All you have to do next is just hit on publish and you're good to go. All right. When you hit on publish, it activates the workflow, allowing the defined actions to run automatically whenever the trigger event occurs. Okay. Each time the trigger event happens or whenever there is a new submission, Zapier will execute the associated actions in the connected app. If you want to check if it's really working, go ahead over to Xero right here. And as you might remember, the event is to create a project. Okay, so let's go ahead over to projects, all projects, and there you have it, sample integration. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.